PEmicro's Cyclone MultiChannel Programmer will demonstrate simultaneous programming of 8 Renesas RA4 targets. Cyclone programmers are among the world's most advanced, secure, and reliable in-system programming solutions. The Cyclone MultiChannel Programmer consists of a base control unit with 4 built-in channels. Additional channels can be added using quad-pod expanders, allowing the system to scale to higher programming densities. In this demonstration, an FX-based control unit and 1 quad-pod, a total of 8 channels, are used to program 8 Renesas RA4 devices simultaneously. Optional adapters connect to the programmer's 50-pin ports, providing flexible interface options. A wire wrap adapter allows easy integration into a fixture, while ARM 20-pin and ARM 10 and 20-pin mini adapters are also supported. In this demonstration, the ARM 10-pin mini is used, which allows individual 10-pin ribbon cables to connect directly to each target. The FX also provides power through the ribbon cable to all the targets. Using the API, programming images are assigned to each channel, and programming is launched simultaneously. In this example, all targets are programmed with an application that blinks blue LEDs. Each channel in a Cyclone multi-channel FX system operates independently and stores its programming data locally. This allows for different targets, programming images, dynamic data, voltages, and workflows to run simultaneously within the same compact system. All targets are programmed extremely quickly and in parallel. The process is then repeated with a different application to demonstrate fast reprogramming. Note how all of these processors were reprogrammed extremely fast. This multi-channel programmer packs a high channel count into an exceptionally compact form factor. A powerful API enables seamless integration into automated test systems. The Control SDK simplifies integration across a wide range of programming languages, operating systems, and test environments. The host system communicates only with the main unit, which manages all programming channels. The FX can simultaneously program different target devices with different programming images, even when targets require different operating voltages. Several target power configurations are supported. Targets may be independently powered, with the programmer sensing the target VCC supplied through the target's regulator. Each individual channel may also directly supply VCC to its target. Alternatively, each channel may provide system power, VSys, allowing the target's onboard voltage regulator to generate VCC for the device. The system also supports unique data programming, such as serialization. Data, like incrementing serial numbers, can be generated directly by the Cyclone or provided dynamically from an external source through the API. In addition to dynamic data, the programmer supports advanced features including secure boot programming, key provisioning, encryption, automated test, and more. The multi-channel case design has integrated feet that allow the units to snap together for secure stacking. Mounting holes on each unit provide additional flexibility to mount the units into a variety of setups. The design is both slender and modular, which allows for many configurations. The Cyclone multi-channel programmer supports a wide range of Renesas devices. A complete list of supported devices is available at PEmicro.com/Renesas. Thank you for joining this demonstration of PEmicro's Cyclone multi-channel programmer. For more information, please visit PEmicro.com/MCP.